Every IT professional has a story. Since 1999, Nagios has been the foundation for those stories, supporting the experts who keep the world's infrastructure moving. You've been with us through every evolution, and now we want to celebrate the people behind the dashboards. A complex migration, a midnight breakthrough, a monitoring strategy that saved the day. This year, we're taking those stories out of the server room and putting them in the spotlight. At the Nagios World Conference 2026, the Studio 150 Spotlight is open to everyone. Work directly with our professional film crew to record your success stories, your unique use cases, and your monitoring expertise. You'll leave St. Paul with a high-impact video to share with your clients, leadership, and your peers. Ready to join us in St. Paul? Lock in your spring special rate by June 1st to ensure you're part of the ultimate monitoring experience. We'll see you in the studio.
And cut.